How to draw Cinnamoroll from Hello Kitty, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step, let's begin by drawing two oval shapes for the outline of the eyes in the center of the page. Nice! Now, right above those two ovals that we just drew, let's draw a curved line going from left to right. Now we will draw a second curved line right below those ovals that we just made together. This will look similar to a sideways C shape that will be pointing upwards. Right above the line that we just drew together, we're going to want to draw a small W line for the mouth of Cinnamoroll. Keep in mind that if you're enjoying today's video, then be sure to give this a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. So as of right now, on the left and right hand side of the head, we have two small openings. Where these two small openings are, we're going to want to draw the ears. The ears that I draw will almost extend all the way to the edge of the page. Keep in mind if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause or rewind the video as you need to. Well done! Now let's go ahead and draw the second ear on the left hand side. Keep in mind that we'll want to make sure that this is also the same size as the one that we just drew on the right hand side. So now that we have the head of Cinnamoroll drawn, we can now go ahead and draw the lower body. Let's begin by drawing two small arms by making two small curved lines connected to the head. Now connected to the arms that we just made, we can continue to draw the torso, which will include the stomach. And at the very end of today's video, I'll show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause and match your colors. On the bottom of the body, where those two openings are, we're going to draw two small curved lines for the feet. Now last but not least, before we color in today's drawing, let's go ahead and draw the tail on the left hand side of Cinnamoroll. This is how to draw Cinnamoroll from Hello Kitty. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give this a big like and subscribe for more videos just like this. Don't forget that next I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.